Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Monday, March 30th, calendar time with your host, yours truly, Mrs. Dawes. First of all, I want to give a big shout out, hello to Brandon. Good morning, Tristan. Good morning, Aiden and Connor, Drake, Axel, Tobias. Amara, good morning. Aviana, good morning. Brylin, good morning. Alyssa, good morning. Good morning, Ariana. Good morning, Vivi. Good morning, Coley. And good morning to you, Miss Tatum. Let's start our calendar song. I'm going to move myself over here. Whoa, here we go. March. There is a month with 31 days, and March is its name. O-M-A-R-C-H, M-A-R-C-H, M-A-R-C-H, and March is its name. Oh, leprechauns and shamrocks too, spring is almost here. Oh, M-A-R-C-H, 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 and March is its name. Oh, nice singing. I'm going to move myself over here. Here I am. Can you give me a wave? Hello, everybody. All right, let's do today's date. Today is Monday, the first school day of the week, March. What number is this? Can you get to it? What number came after or comes after 29? Let's see. Can you say it before I get to the square? You're right, the 30th. 30 comes after 29. So today we say today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Good job. Do you know who this crazy dude is? I'll give you a guess. His birthday was yesterday, and he is one of the little boys in our class, and his name starts with C. Did you guess Connor? Because this is Connor. His mom sent me this picture. This is a picture of Connor wearing his birthday helmet. Like, it was his birthday yesterday, so he got a Transformer helmet, and this is Bumblebee. Looking good, dude. Keep it up. Let's do our code date. Are you ready? Let's do it. 3, which stands for March, because March is the third month of the year, dash 30. Why? Because it's the 30th day of March. Dash 20. And we know why we have a 20 there, because it's 2020. So our code date says 3/30/20, which means March 30th, 2020. Excellent. Now we get to do 30 tally marks. 30 of them. You're gonna really get in shape today. Are you ready to do 30? Now, if you're following along and you're wanting to do what we do in class, remember we stand up, and then for each tally, we draw our arm, go 1, 2, 3. But then when we get to numbers that end in 5 and numbers that end in 0, we sit down. Are you ready? Let's do it. Let me hear you in computer land. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you sitting down? Let me see. I'll look into my screen. Oh, everyone's sitting down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you sitting down? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Boys and girls, we are halfway there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And boys and girls, just like that, we tally to 30. Now, remember that each bundle here is 5. So let's count by 5s using these bundles. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's right. You kids are getting to be such good counting by 5 people. That is awesome. It's too bad most of you are turning, well, all of you are going to be leaving 5 and you're going to be going to be age 6. But at least you can count by 5s now. All right, what is the weather like today? Well, what is the weather like today? Well, let's go over here. Look at all my screens. Here we go. There it is. Today at 7 o'clock this morning, Grand Forks was at 26 degrees. 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, remember 26. Now, do you suppose that I do not have a foggy sign? You're right, I don't. I'm gonna take a picture of it and we're gonna put it on our screen. Okay, so don't forget it was 26 degrees. So let's count by, oh, what did I do? I'm so talented. Let's count by 5s again. Okay, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then we need to go to 26. So we just start counting by 1s. 25, 26. And what color is it, friends? It's blue. It's blue. Let me open the screen up a little bit more. All right, here we go. Blue, blue bayou, blue. What word rhymes with blue? Blue rhymes with glue. What else does it rhyme with? Blue rhymes with, let me hear you. Clue, you're right. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, here's our next page. Okay, so yesterday or Friday, it was clear. And remember, I had to cut that picture out and then I stuck it onto our weather tracker. Well, today, the weather is foggy. And I don't have foggy down here because I have cloudy, partly cloudy, snowy, sunny, stormy, windy, rainy. There's no foggy. So remember, I took that picture. Well, watch what I'm going to do. You kids are getting all my insider information. You're becoming an insider. We're going to use this sign for foggy. And boys and girls, we are not even anywhere near a pattern. Oh, well, maybe it'll be foggy tomorrow. I sure hope not. Okay, next page. Days of the week. Well, let's see. If yesterday was Sunday, ooh, my favorite color. If yesterday was Sunday, what would that make today? Sunday, then it's, oh, you're right, Monday. You kids are smarter and getting this. Oh my goodness. Okay, Monday. What will tomorrow be? If today is Monday, what will tomorrow be? What will the next day be? You're right, Tuesday. Tuesday, go down here. Now, real quick, I'm going to put up some numbers. So I'll put up one number. I'm going to put a number up here. I'm going to put the number 13. Ooh, Mrs. Taj, you're putting it on the yesterday spot. Because now I want you to tell me what number comes after 13. What number comes after 13? You're right, 14. And what number? Oh, yep. And what number will come after 14? 15. You're right. You're getting so good at that. 15. All right, mosey on over here. Yesterday it was Connor's birthday. Then our next page, did anyone lose a tooth? Nobody is writing to me that you've lost a tooth. So that makes me think that nobody's lost a tooth. which is good. And I have not lost a tooth, which is really good because a teacher my age should not be losing teeth. Okay, let me know if you lose a tooth. Oh, jokes of the day. Thank you, Axel and Declan, for inspiring this little section. All right, our first joke is this. Why can't Cinderella play soccer? Do, 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 do. Well, the answer is because she's always running away from the ball. Ba-dum-bum, hey. Okay, next one. Oh. Guess what I have right here, boys and girls? I have Elsa. Elsa wanted to come and she wanted to tell you the joke. Here's the joke. Why can't you give me a balloon? Who did your hair, Elsa? It is crazy. I want to know, why can't you give me a balloon? Oh, you're so funny. I will let it go, don't go home anymore. I hope you all had a great time with me today doing the calendar. And maybe if you end up doing your hair like Elsa, you can send me a picture on Seesaw. You can send me pictures. I miss you so much. Have a wunderbar day, and I'll talk to you later.